Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, he was the best friend of Muhammad or Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was the first male Muslim. He became the first leader of Muslims. He was called the trustful. He gave away many much more money for Islam. He went with the Prophet on his journey to Medina. He was very kind. He was mercy. He helped grant the Quran. All Muslims respect him greatly. Hazrat Umar, he was Prophet's Cornelius. He accepted Islam very early. He was the fourth Muslim leader. He married the Prophet's daughter. He was very brave. He was worthy. He was a great speaker. He was known for justice. He was a good teacher. He was trained mastered. Hazrat Ali, he was Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's conscience. He accepted Islam very early. He was the fourth Muslim leader. He married the Prophet's daughter. He was very brave. He was worthy. He was a great speaker. He was known for just. He was a good teacher. He was mastered. Hazrat Usman, he was a close competition. He was the third Muslim leader. He was very worldly. He given much to charity. He married to the Prophet's daughters. He grant the Quran. He was known for his shyness. He was a just ruler. He he bought a water well for all. Hazrat Talha, he was a friend of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. He became Muslim early. He was very brave. He saved the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's life. He got very many injuries. He was called the very living mustard. He was he was very genius. He was a good businessman. He helped others. Hazrat Bilal, he was an early Musliman. He was a slave at first. He was freed by Abu Bakr. He was a very beautiful voice. He was the first to call Muslim to pray azan. He loved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam very much. He was very strong in his fatah. He faced Tor- Tofar for Islam. He was for Imperial. Hazrat Hamza, he was Muhammad Prophet Muhammad's uncle. He became Muslim early. He was called Lion of Allah. He was very strong. He protected the Prophet. He fought in big battles. He was a great warrior. He died fighting for Islam. He is called Master of Masters. Hazrat Abdullah, he was the Prophet's father. He was very good looking. He married Amna. He died younger. He died before his son was born. He was a merchant. He was from Mecca. He was respected. His family missed him. Hazrat Saad, he was companion of Prophet. He became Muslim early. He was great with a bow. He fought in many battles. He was he his players very strong. He bet of a big army. He was a trusted trusted leader. He stayed fame in his father. Hazrat Yahya, he Allah chose him. His parents were old. He was very good. He lived simply. He told people to be good. He always spoke truth. He talked about Jesus. He was brave. He was killed for his Fatiha.